So what's good everyone? Nifty 50 index, it's clearly in downtrend, right? It's making lower lows and lower highs, right? So mid-cap stocks are out of questions. We anyway don't buy mid-cap stocks, but Nifty 50 is a good parameter to check out the overall pulse or overall health of the market. But then moving on to our mid-caps and small caps, the mid-cap seems to have formed a cup and handle type of formation over here and have broken out, and it has shown us slight signs of reversals. So it has taken support over here, and I won't say bounce, but it has like slightly held the support and it's going up. So it should maintain this area to continue its uptrend, and hence I thought like why not let's explore some stocks that fall into mid cap and small cap section. So mid cap also maybe it's forming a cup and handle over here, but anyway it seems to be in an uptrend. Why? Because it has made a higher low over here, and let's see if it makes an higher high around in this area, right? So to just test the waters, I picked up few stocks from the list of many stocks, and the first in my list is Archean Chemical Industry Limited. Archean has broken out from a cup and handle over here. It had a neckline at around the area of 531, and when it broke out, the volume was quite significant. Like you can compare it with rest other days volume, and it's quite higher. As it's a new stock, it's completely new stock, it's an IPO stock, so we won't be able to get 50 days average volume, right? So yeah, placing the bet in this stock. From the breakout area, it's like roughly 6% up, we can say. It's roughly 6% up. So I have taken entry today in Archean Chemical Limited, and I would strictly get out if it closes below this 522 is zone, considering the poor market conditions or a choppy market conditions that we are witnessing as of now. Next in my list is Godfrey Phillips. As you can see, it has broken out today from a inverse head and shoulder. This is not an IPO stock, so we are clearly able to see this blue line, which is the average of 50 days volume, and it has nearly 3 times the volume of 50 days average volume, right? So it has broken out of this neckline at 2035, and it's showing quite a strong momentum. Hence I have also taken entry in Godfrey Phillips today, and I would get out if it closes below this 20 days simple moving average. So I'm not extending my stop losses to 50 days moving average because the market conditions are quite tricky. So I would get out around 8 to 9% of loss, because by the time this moving average will also move upwards. And also keep in mind this pattern, it's forming in a daily chart, which is not considered as strong as when it forms in weekly time frame. So I've taken entry in Godfrey Phillips, and I've also shared my exit points with you. Next is Kaynes Technology Limited. It's once again an IPO stock. It has broken out of this cup and handle. As you can see, I've drawn in my screen. It made a gap up opening today, and it's trading above this cup and handle. But the volumes aren't that strong factor. Hence, I've avoided taking entry in Kaynes Technology today. But we'll surely keep an eye on this particular stock. Next is Fusion Microfinance Limited. It's a finance stock, and yep, as you must have guessed, it's an IPO stock, right? So it is forming this cup and handle pattern. It will take resistance from 399 to 400 zone, and it might form VCP type pattern. It might do something like this before breaking out, but if it closes above 400 with the support of volume, so as we talked, Kaynes didn't have the support of volume, so if it closes above 400 with the support of volume, I will surely take entry in Fusion Microfinance Limited. So that's it for today's video. We will get back with yet another update on next Tuesday. Till then, have a nice day.